think accuracy means compromising on innovation. Think again. These 10 rifles deliver precision that'll redefine your expectations, but they're flying completely under the radar. While everyone's debating the same old platforms, serious long-range shooters are quietly stacking groups with these engineering marvels. From tactical innovations to hunting rifles that shoot like bench rest guns, we're counting down the most accurate rifles that somehow escaped the hype machine. Number 1 will surprise you. It's the choice of military units you've never heard of. Let's dive in. Number 10. Savage Impulse. Elite Precision. Savage just rewrote the rulebook on bolt-action rifles with the Impulse Elite Precision. This isn't your grandfather's bolt gun. It's a straight pull action that cycles faster than anything in its class while maintaining match-grade accuracy. The Impulse uses Savage's Hexlock bolt system. 6 hardened steel bearings lock directly into the barrel extension, creating a connection that's stronger and more consistent than traditional lugs. The straight pull design means you never break your cheek weld or lose sight picture between shots. In practical shooting, that's massive. The heavy contour barrel is button-rifled and guaranteed sub-MOA, but most shooters are seeing consistent half-MOA groups. The AccuTrigger adjusts down to a crisp 1.5 pounds without any gunsmith work. The MDT chassis gives you full adjustability cheek riser, length of pull, and M-lock slots everywhere for accessories. Available in 6.5 Creedmoor and 308 Winchester, it covers the precision spectrum. The AICS magazine system feeds flawlessly, and that 20 MOA rail comes ready for serious glass. What makes this special? The straight pull action is faster than bolt guns but more accurate than semi-autos. You get the best of both worlds. Pros, lightning-fast cycling speed. AccuTrigger is exceptional, proven MDT chassis platform. Cons. Straight pull design has a learning curve for traditional bolt gun shooters, heavier than field hunting rifles. Number 9. Browning X-Bolt Target Max. Browning took their legendary X-Bolt platform and built a dedicated precision machine. The X-Bolt Target Max is what happens when a hunting rifle company decides to compete with tactical precision guns. That heavy sporter barrel is hand-chambered, free-floated, and features an adjustable comb that lets you dial in perfect eye alignment. The carbon fiber stock has a textured grip, palm swell, and adjustable length of pull. This rifle fits like it was custom built for you. The feather trigger adjusts down to 3 pounds and breaks like glass. The 3-lug bolt with 60-degree throw cycles smoothly, and the bolt unlock button is positioned perfectly for your thumb. Here's what separates it from the competition. Browning's Inflex technology recoil pad directs recoil down and away from your face, cutting felt recoil by up to 50%. Combined with the integrated muzzle brake, even Magnum calibers become manageable for all-day shooting. Available in 6.5 Creedmoor, 6.5 PRC, 300 WSM, and 26 Nosler, it handles everything from PRS competitions to long-range hunting. The detachable rotary magazine holds 4 rounds and feeds flawlessly. Pros, fully adjustable stock for custom fit, exceptional recoil management system, Browning reliability and accuracy. Cons, rotary magazine limits capacity compared to AICS systems, premium pricing for a production rifle. Number 8. Weatherby Vanguard High Country Long Range. Weatherby's been building accurate rifles since 1945, and the Vanguard High Country Long Range proves they haven't lost their touch. This is mountain rifle weight with bench rest rifle accuracy. The Monte Carlo composite stock features raised comb for proper scope alignment and a specialized recoil pad that tames Magnum recoil. The Cerakote finish in gray and tan patterns looks tactical while protecting against the elements. Weatherby's cold hammer-forged barrel is button-rifled and hand-lapped, then stress-relieved for consistency. The number 3 contour gives you enough mass for heat management without turning into a boat anchor. Every rifle is guaranteed to shoot a 3-shot group of 0.99 inches or better at 100 yards with specified ammunition. The adjustable trigger breaks cleanly at 2.5 pounds. The fully enclosed bolt sleeve features 3 gas ports for safety, and the bolt unlocks smoothly with minimal effort. Available in everything from 6.5 Creedmoor to 300 Weatherby Magnum, there's a Vanguard for any application. The integral muzzle brake is removable for suppressor use. What makes this overlooked? Weatherby's been so good for so long that people forget to talk about them. This is old-school quality meeting modern features. Pros: Weatherby accuracy guarantee is industry-leading, surprisingly lightweight for features offered, excellent value proposition. Cons: stock not as adjustable as dedicated chassis systems. Weatherby chamberings require specific ammunition. Number 7. Ruger Hawkeye Long-Range Target. Ruger took their bulletproof Hawkeye action and built a precision rifle that punches way above its price point. The Hawkeye long-range target proves that American manufacturing can still deliver accuracy without premium pricing. The heavy contour target barrel is cold hammer forged from 4140 chrome moly steel and hand-lapped for consistency. It's free-floated in an aluminum bedding block that eliminates accuracy-killing stress points. The Ruger Marksman adjustable trigger is a game-changer at this price. It adjusts from 2.25 to 5 pounds with zero creep and a clean break that rivals custom triggers. The two-position safety allows bolt operation with the safety engaged critical for loading and unloading safely. The laminate target stock has an adjustable length of pull and a vertical pistol grip that promotes consistent trigger control. Available in 6.5 Creedmoor, 6.5 PRC, and 308 Winchester, it covers the precision shooting spectrum. The action is Ruger's controlled round feed with a massive claw extractor. It's reliable in any conditions. The integral scope rail is machined into the receiver for rock-solid optics mounting. Why it's underrated? Ruger built their reputation on durability, not precision. This rifle proves they can do both. Pros: Ruger reliability at precision rifle accuracy. Controlled round feed action is bomb-proof. Adjustable trigger at this price is rare. Cons: laminate stock is heavy for field carry. Not as many aftermarket upgrades as Remington 700 platform. Number 6. Hoa 1500 Precision Chassis. Hoa barrels have been the secret weapon of custom rifle builders for decades. The 1500 Precision Chassis brings that legendary accuracy to a complete package that costs less than most people spend on just a custom action. The hack two-stage trigger is adjustable from 2.5 to 4.5 pounds and breaks cleanly with minimal take-up. Hoa's hammer-forged barrels are made from high-grade steel and stress-relieved for consistency as temperatures change. The KRG Bravo chassis gives you tool-free adjustability for cheek height and length of pull. M-lock slots run the full length of the forend, and the enclosed design protects the action from debris. The AR-style pistol grip accepts any AR-15 grip for custom feel. Available in 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 Winchester, and 6mm Creedmoor, it covers competition and tactical applications. The AICS magazine system is proven reliable and the 20 MOA rail comes installed. What makes this special is Hoa's barrel manufacturing. They've been making barrels for other manufacturers for years. When you buy a Hoa 1500, you're getting a barrel that other companies charge premium prices for. Most shooters report consistent sub-MOA accuracy right out of the box, with many achieving half-MOA with handloads. Pros: exceptional barrel quality for the price. KRG Bravo chassis is highly regarded. Chac trigger performs above its class. Cons: action is less refined than premium options. Hoa name lacks the prestige of European manufacturers. Number 5. Tikka T3X TAC A1. Finnish precision engineering at its finest. The Tikka T3X TAC A1 is what happens when a company known for building rifles in sub-zero temperatures decides to enter the precision rifle market. The action is buttery smooth. Tikka's legendary quality control means every rifle feels like a custom build. The two-lug bolt with 70-degree throw cycles faster than traditional actions, and the bolt lift is light even with hot loads. The modular aluminum chassis from GRS accepts AR-style grips and stocks, giving you endless customization. The adjustable cheek piece and length of pull mean this rifle fits perfectly, and the M-lock forend lets you mount anything you need. Tikka's cold hammer-forged barrel is guaranteed to shoot 5-shot groups of 1 MOA or better, but most TAC A1s shoot considerably better. The single-stage trigger breaks cleanly at 2 to 4 pounds with minimal creep. Available in 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 Winchester, and 260 Remington, it handles tactical and competition work. The 10-round AX magazines feed flawlessly, and the 0 MOA or 20 MOA rail options give you flexibility for different applications. Why nobody talks about it? Tikka's been so consistent for so long that they're not exciting anymore. But consistency is exactly what precision shooting demands. Pros, Tikka reliability is legendary, smoothest action in this price range. Modular chassis allows complete customization. Cons, trigger not as adjustable as competitors, stock trigger heavier than dedicated precision rifles. Number 4, Daniel Defense Delta 5 Pro. Daniel Defense shocked everyone when they entered the bolt-action market. The Delta 5 Pro takes everything they learned from the original and elevates it to compete with custom rifles. The Pro features a carbon fiber wrapped barrel that stays cool during rapid strings while weighing significantly less than steel. The 3-lug bolt with 60-degree throw is lightning fast, and the action cycle's smoother than anything in its class. The carbon fiber stock is fully adjustable with tool-free adjustments for cheek height and length of pull. The removable grip panel system lets you customize hand placement, and the M-Lock forend gives unlimited accessory mounting. Daniel Defense's cold hammer-forged barrels are guaranteed sub-MOA, but the Pro consistently delivers half MOA accuracy with quality ammunition. Available in 6.5 Creedmoor, 3C8 Winchester, 6.5 PRC, and 300 Win Mag, it handles everything from competition to tactical applications. The toolless disassembly is brilliant. You can break down the bolt for cleaning without tools. The replaceable recoil lug means barrel swaps are simple, and the Remington 700 footprint gives endless aftermarket support. What makes this special? Daniel Defense brought AR-15 manufacturing precision to bolt guns. Every component is machined to aerospace tolerances. Pros, carbon fiber barrel technology, smoothest action under $3,000, highly adjustable stock, and exceptional build quality. Cons, premium pricing, heavier than dedicated hunting rifles. Number 3, Steyr SSG Z08P1. Austrian engineering meets military precision. The Steyr SSG 08P1 is the rifle that special operations units around the world trust when failure isn't an option. The action features 4 locking lugs with a short 60-degree bolt throw. What's unique is the direct bolt lockup into the barrel. There's no receiver stress, which means accuracy stays consistent over tens of thousands of rounds. The cold hammer-forged barrel is made from proprietary Steyr steel that extends barrel life while maintaining accuracy. The barrel is free-floated in a UT aluminum chassis that's rock-solid and features integrated M1913 rails. Steyr's trigger is a direct 2-stage design that breaks at 3.3 pounds with absolutely zero creep. The safety is ambidextrous and the bolt release is positioned perfectly for rapid manipulation. Available in 308 Winchester and 300 Win Mag, it's built for tactical applications. The adjustable cheek piece and length of pull accommodate any shooter, and the folding stock makes transport easy. What separates this from competitors is Steyr's testing protocol. Every SSG-08 must maintain half MOA accuracy through 10,000 rounds before it's approved for sale. This is military-grade reliability. Why it's unknown? Steyr doesn't market to civilians. This is a military rifle that civilians can buy. Pros, military-proven reliability, direct bolt lockup system, exceptional accuracy, longevity. Cons, limited availability in civilian markets, expensive compared to hunting rifles. Tactical aesthetics won't appeal to everyone. Number 2, Blazer Tactical 2. German precision engineering at its absolute finest. The Blazer Tactical 2 isn't just a rifle, it's a modular precision system that adapts to any mission. The straight pull bolt action cycles faster than anything on this list while maintaining absolute accuracy. The radial locking collar features 8 ball bearings that lock directly into the barrel, creating a connection that's stronger than traditional lugs. What makes this revolutionary is the interchangeable barrel system. You can swap calibers in under 60 seconds without tools. One rifle platform handles everything from 223 Remington to 338 Lapua Magnum by simply changing the barrel and bolt head. The synthetic thumbhole stock is fully adjustable with an integrated aluminum bedding block. The trigger is adjustable from 1.1 to 3.3 pounds and breaks like glass with zero take-up. The Tactical 2 features a detachable box magazine system with capacities up to 20 rounds depending on caliber. The integrated Picatinny rail gives rock-solid optics mounting. Every Tactical 2 is test-fired and must maintain half MOA accuracy before shipping. Blazer's quality control is obsessive. These rifles are hand-assembled and individually proven. Why nobody talks about it? The price tag scares people away. But when you calculate cost per caliber with the barrel swapping system, it's actually cost-effective. Pros: fastest cycling action available. Modular system equals multiple rifles in one. German quality control is unmatched. Cons: eye-watering price point. Straight pull design takes practice. Limited dealer network for service. Number 1. Barrett MRAD Mk22. The most accurate multi-caliber rifle system on the planet. This is what U.S. Special Operations Command chose as their next-generation sniper rifle, and for good reason. The MRAD multi-role adaptive design features a modular system where you can swap between .308 Winchester, .300 Norma Magnum, and .338 Norma Magnum in under 2 minutes with just an Allen wrench. One rifle, 3 calibers, endless capability. The action is a smooth-running, fluted bolt with dual ejector system that handles everything from sea level to high altitude without adjustment. The match-grade trigger breaks cleanly at 3.5 pounds with zero creep. Barrett's barrels are cold hammer-forged from proprietary steel alloy and hand-lapped to perfection. The 10-groove rifling is optimized for long-range accuracy, and the barrels are guaranteed to maintain accuracy through thousands of rounds. The folding stock features adjustable length of pull, adjustable cheek piece, and multiple sling attachment points. The full-length top rail accepts any optic, and the M-lock slots on the fore-end provide unlimited accessory mounting. What makes this the number 1 is simple: military validation. SOCOM tested this rifle against everything available and chose the MRAD. Most civilian shooters report consistent half MOA accuracy across all calibers. Why it's overlooked? Barrett's known for 50 BMG rifles. People forget they make the most advanced precision rifle system available. Pros: true multi-caliber capability, military-proven reliability, Barrett quality and support. Modular system future-proofs your investment. Cons: premium pricing reflects premium capability. Weight makes it impractical for hunting, overkill for casual precision shooting.